Hey guys, this is another unboxing video from, it's going to be this time from Airsoft Megastore, and pretty excited about this box. I know I've had a lot of unboxing in the last couple of days, so here it goes. I have a really crappy knife, so it might take me a while to cut through this tape. Geez, Airsoft Megastore really put some thought into their packaging. That's for sure. And guys, if you're watching this right now, well, actually, never mind. The day after this video is going to be published, I'm going airsofting twice over the weekend. Once at a place called Ivy Ridge, and then another at the place called Area 48, which I usually go to. Look at this priority mail flat rate box. How great. And it's regional rate box number A. Number A, yeah, number A. Letter A. I'm just kidding. Alright. Other side. Oh, I'm cutting towards my body. Always been told that was a bad thing by my parents. But, shoot. Jeez, this is difficult to open. Sorry if this actual unboxing is taking a while. Do not mean for it. Alright, first thing out of the box, a WE mag. It's green gas, and you'll see what that's for pretty soon. Then I got, this, I'll pull it out of the package. I'm finally switching over to the actual vertical hand grip, and I got this because it has housing for my pressure pad. That's good. Here's my warranty and quick tips. Alright, here's the knockoff. I got a new knockoff Blackhawk holster. It's made by Diamond Tactical. And last, but certainly not least, is a WE M1911. Oh. So it's a Desert Warrior M1911. It's the 5.1. It's pretty nice feeling. The mags kind of feel cheap. The gun's kind of hot. The gun's pretty warm, actually. Hope it doesn't freak out in these hot summer months. The gun is really hot. Jeez, that's not good. I don't think that's good. But you never know. Sorry, I've probably had the gun off screen quite a bit. But yeah, just to go over what I got. The WE M1911 extra mag for my M1911 WE, of course. The knockoff holster. Actually, let's see if my pistol fits in the holster. Yep, fits in the holster like a normal Blackhawk holster. That's good. It's always good when your gun fits inside the holster that it's made for. I'll probably get some footage of this gun tomorrow and the next day. And I got the grip for my primary gun, new mag, and the Diamond Tactical holster. It's a green gas pistol, and green gas pistol. I've never had a green gas pistol before, so that's good. Gonna get into green gas pistols now. Yeah, it's the end of this unboxing video, and it's from Airsoft Megastore again. And I really like Airsoft Megastore just because, like, it's free shipping. Well, most places are free shipping now, but I don't know. I just like how WE. I know I'm kind of destroying the box right now, but they put their guns in like this really nice cloth. I'm just kidding. It's not that nice, but it's decent. It works, you know. Yeah. So it doesn't come like wrapped up in styrofoam like most guns. But alright. So yeah, that's the end of this unboxing. Probably jumped around on so many things, but once again, Diamond's Tactical Holster, M1911 WE with extra mag. God, what am I missing? Is that it? Oh yeah, grip. So that's the end of this unboxing. Make sure to subscribe and like and comment, whatever you do, like share the video. I don't know, I don't care. Yeah, just thanks for watching and bye.